I'm on Royal Caribbean Adventure of the Seas in room 1388 in a corner aft balcony. So you go that way, it goes down a hall. And then we have just service area over here. It is a nice, spacious room. Because we're on the corner, we have a little bit bigger balcony too, which we'll get to here in just a second. Start with the bathroom over here. There's a small mirror over here on the left. And there is a pole in the middle of the room, which may seem intrusive, but if it gives me a bigger room, I do not care. I will take it. Check out the closet. I don't know where our safe is. I just realized it is not in there. I'm not really sure where it's at. I'll find it later. You have lots of storage spaces. And that bed, or the couch, will turn into a bed. We do have 3 people sleeping in here. Let's go check out the balcony. Oh, and we have these green things on to prove that we're vaccinated. Because they do have some spaces that are vaccination only right now because of COVID. So we're in the Port of Galveston. We have the breeze behind us, the Carnival breeze. And even though this thing is here, it's still nice and spacious with lots of room and loungers, which is fantastic. I purposely picked this room. I was super excited it was open. And that is it. Room 1388, Adventure of the Seas, corner aft balcony.